Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. The base dimension is 120 by 80, thickness is 12 mm and it is on the top plane. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. Select here extrude, select the top plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension 120 and 80. Finish sketch, extrude up to 12 mm. Okay. Next there is a one circular part, that is outer dia 48, inner dia 24 mm and length is 42 mm. Height from the base is 85 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select here center line, circle, create two circles, give the dimensions 48 and 24. Dimension from here to here 85 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 42 mm. Okay. Next there is a 9 mm plate for joining the two parts. Select the same surface, sketch, select reference lines, close, select line, select circle, delete segment, delete this circle. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse direction, thickness is 9 mm. Okay. Next there is a 9 mm thickness rib. Select the plane, sketch, select references, select line, select rib, profile rib, thickness is 9 mm. Okay. Next there is a one rectangular flange top of the circular part. For that select plane here, select this surface, reverse the direction 21 mm is okay. Select the plane, sketch, select here corner rectangle, give the dimensions 25 mm and from the center hole 45 mm. Create center line first. This is 25, dimension from the center point 45 mm. So finish sketch, extrude. Here select symmetric, length we required 30 mm. Next there is one cutout. Select this surface, sketch 3 mm cutout. Select the reference lines, this and this center line. Select rectangle, dimension 3 mm, 1.5. So finish sketch, extrude, remove material, reverse the direction. Here select up to next surface. Okay. Next there is a fillet R20. Select this surface, this edge and this edge. Next there is a 2 holes, diameter 12 mm, from the side, both side 24 mm. Select hole. It's a simple hole, diameter 12 mm. Here depth we can give all surface. So select the surface, give the dimension 24 mm, from here also 24. So finish sketch, mirror this hole, turn on the plane, select the mid plane. Next here also one hole is there. Select this surface, sketch. We can do with the whole feature also. That is diameter 12 mm, from the top 12, from the side 15. Select circle, or you can take the center line also here. Just select the circle, give the dimension. From the side 15, diameter 12, from the top 12 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, remove material, reverse direction up to next surface, or you can give through all. That's it friends, all the features are completed. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Fillets is there here, this edges. Select fillet, give the dimension 10 mm. So that's it from today's session. So we can assign the material here, appearances, names and thumbnails. So here you can see there are so many materials here. Standard materials, PTC standard seal, aluminum, copper, bronze. So which material you want to you can assign here. So I will assign PTC standard aluminum. Select entire body, click OK. So you can edit the color also. Go with more appearances, color. So you can choose with the wheel which color you want. Friends, I hope you are enjoying this session. Please hit the like button and subscribe buttons. So select entire body like this. That's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.